Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Niro plug-in hybrid. The Kia Niro plug-in hybrid provides unlimited functionality. It offers plenty of space, lots of technology, and the efficiency that you're shooting for in this hybrid crossover, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.